Hello everyone, I'm from the AGIC organizing committee. Today we are visiting ZHONGYI Group. Come with us and take a look.
Hello everyone, welcome to ZHONGYI Technology. Our business consists of three main areas. The first is IoT connectivity. 4 different categories of robot manufacturers, we provide IoT solutions. Right now, what you see this robot, including its full IoT system and cloud network transmission, is all supported by us. We work with many robot models, such as cleaning robots and delivery robots. Our main focus is delivering full scenario deployment solutions. This is also the core business we are prioritizing this year, what we define as our first strategic focus. At the moment, we've received many similar orders, including robot dog patrol projects, ultra-high-rise hotel delivery solutions, and building-wide delivery systems. What you're seeing here is a smart robot used for factory transportation. It has a payload capacity of 150 kilograms. Through system configuration, it can autonomously move from point A to point B and handle transportation tasks throughout the production line. It can also deliver heavier materials within the factory, providing convenient support for the entire workflow.